1 hour. Let's see. 15 kilometer till now. Long target to achieve. Let's see how much I can. So this is my face now. See, not that much bad, right? I know. Let's see how far I can go. 72 kilometers. 4.5 hours. Out of that, only 1 hour. I tried. Right now, I'm riding beside the Uster Lake. Uster Lake is around 15 kilometers from Zurich Lake. Okay, so we have different cycle route. You can see people are riding. See the Enthu. See, this is the actual cycling route, and people are... I have larger target today. Like from here, Rapperswil, it will take 1 hour 40 minutes from here. Might be it will take 2 hours for me. The difficult thing is we have altitude. 180 meter height. I need to go up and then we need to come down. So after Rapperswil through Horgen, let's see how far I can go. 1 hour 10 minutes till now. Okay, I want to show you something different. It's called inline skating. Okay, you see, can see, right? So might be I need to start this one. Okay, let me give you what I am right now. I am beside the Uster Lake. I can tell you this is around 15 kilometers away from Zurich Lake. We have different cycle track as well as car track as well. You see? Wow! So my plan is to go to Rapperswil from here. Might be to take 2 hours 15-20 minutes from here. Distance wise, I need to remember, if I remember correctly, it is around 30 kilometers from here. So my target to reach Zurich back again by 7 o'clock. So that means 5 hours. Yeah, but I'm not sure how much I can go far, but I need to. So to reach Rapperswil is a meter point, but to reach Rapperswil I need to cover one of the mountain. Around 200 meter I need to go up and then come down. So that was one of the toughest thing. You see, inline skating, and you see the cycling in front of me. Even people are doing jogging, cycling, inline skating, and this is different. It's a bit easier, but still it's another tricks you can say. Right now I'm using my one hand, and see, need to keep my hand to. The guys are awesome here. They don't feel lonely. What they can do, one sun is coming out from morning, so they just keep moving and moving and moving. This is almost starting of the summer, you can say. Today is 9th of May, so you can say this is start of summer. So around 9 o'clock or 9:15 sunset will be there, so that means long daytime. But if you are planning this kind of ride, you need to start a little bit morning, because I am not the regular cyclist, but still I'm trying to achieve 70 plus kilometer, and average speed in my rating might be 15 to 18 km per hour in cycle. So I have the dual mobile. One mobile is having the GPS, and I'm using Strava. You know, I think you know, right? You guys is following me in Strava. So till now my record is 65 kilometers in one day from Lausanne to Zurich. So let's see if I can break that long record. But that journey was a bit different, because the mountain I was covered up, that was longest one, at least from my point of view. But here we have mountain, but I'm not sure. I'll tell you the update once I can cover up. So right now the road is a bit flat, so now I don't have too much of problem. So I need to cut it off right now, because I have to find the right way. I'm here at Oosterlake. It's called Griffin Sea. It's another sea beside Zurich, 15 kilometers from here, as I told you earlier. It's a beautiful lake. Not that much big like Zurich Lake. If you enjoy this Oosterlake and says Griffin Sea. So this is the junction point from where I need to take a left to Rapperswil, and you can see this one is the end of Oosterlake. The name is actually Griffin Sea. Okay, so from here if I take right, it is going to go back to the mountain. You see this mountain, behind that mountain we are starting the Zurich Lake, but it is a bit far. Might be another 18 kilometers from here. But if I take left, there is another mountain. We need to go up, and then we can see another lake, the Zurich Lake, the end of Zurich, the another end of the Zurich Lake, that is Rapperswil. If you see the placard, the mention here 17 kilometers from here. Come to closer to that placard, you see 17 kilometers from here, Rapperswil. The Griffin Sea we saw 2.7 kilometers, we came back, and now we take the route right. So this is one of the junction point. From here I need to take left. From here mountain starts. Let's see how far I can climb. Around 200 meters need to go up. See, the bus is coming all the way down to the ground. 842. It's going towards Mr. Bahnhof. Bahnhof means the main train station. Finally, I'm at the top of that mountain. Almost there. Might be another 40 meter altitude need to go up, but I'm almost there at the top. Can you see the difference? Yeah, this is due to the air pressure. This is the condition of my sandwich. Okay, now you can see I'm really at the top of the mountain. That's why this has got swollen a bit. Now I'm taking a bit rest, and this is my bicycle. She is also taking rest. Yeah, need to have some food. So I'm covered almost 30 kilometers till now. 2.5 hours. Here we go, Zwickau. Look closely. Now I'm starting from top of the mountain to coming down. Okay, right now the time is around 5:15. So clear sky, fresh air, lot of people, good energy, and the Zwickau. So I'm riding with a one hand, so I cannot go with the full speed, going slowly. And you can see the greenery. In one hand it is a bit risky. Might be next time I should go with the GoPro. I'm trying my best to capture. Hope you are enjoying the Swiss clear sky. Another guy like me. You see Zurich Lake, the end of Zurich Lake. The place name is Rapperswil. Specifically Rapperswil Zona. So this is the midpoint of my trip. Let's see whether I can go back to Zurich city by cycle. So I'm trying my best, slow but steady. You see the mountain, the big mountain? That is Luzon area. The freeze train. The Rapperswil coming from Rapperswil. You see the castle? That is Rapperswil Castle. One of the beautiful castles in Zurich region. And the mountain you see, those are the Luzon area. There are a lot of mountain nearby, the bigger mountain. The left hand side, I guess that is Rigi. It could be Pilatus nearby. Okay, so you see a lot of boats are floating. One information I can share with you, you know the price of this boat? It is much more than the car, might be the BMW one, front one. It is 35,000 Swiss franc. Okay, so 35 means one Range Rover, something like that. So if you think it is a cheaper one, now it is very costly one. Just for your information. The Rapperswil intermediate destination. Ah, so beautiful place. You see the castle? I think you can see, right? So this is the Rapperswil Castle, and this is one of the end point of Zurich Lake. Zurich Lake is so beautiful and it is so long. This is the lakeside view and the castle view from there. We have the rear garden upstairs. People are relaxing, but should I go inside? Okay, let me go for the time being. Usually people don't say anything. So I'm on the way to back to Horgen and then Burgkiplas. Expected time it will take might be 2 or 15 minutes. From here it is 32 kilometers. Might be I need to go further 5 kilometers from there. This is the area named as like Rapperswil Zona. Okay. Traffic on oversea inside. This is the connector. This is almost end of the Zurich Lake, but some further extensions are there if you see the left hand side. Now time is around 7 o'clock. Swiss flag. Nice view. Crossing the connector. Super view. still on. Just completed my half century 50 kilometer. Guys, it's time now around 8 o'clock. So this is the odometer. 50 kilometer crossed. I'm riding more than 3 hour 43 minutes, like average 13.5. This is me, you see, and the beautiful sky. Probably this one of the best picture till now for today. Okay, you see Swiss cow. This is the Zurich Lake. I am moving towards Horten and Hallwig. Another 25 kilometers to my destination. It's going. Still riding, and this is the train line. There are two train lines. One is going above of this mountain, and another one you can see. This is almost same level of lake. Okay, anyway, I don't think I can do any more capture today, okay, because light is not going to be there sufficient, but I think I am going to complete 75 kilometers today to my destination. Right now it is around 55, so another 20 plus to go. We'll see. I'll see you in next ride. Hopefully I can upload all the things and I can reach to my destination safely.